Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a conversion-focused checkout UI with Shopify theme. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to view your currently installed themes. Select the theme you wish to customize by clicking on Customize. This takes you to the theme editor, where you can adjust various elements of your site. Choose the checkout section from the options available in the theme editor. Here, you will find several customization options for your checkout page. Begin by selecting a color scheme that aligns with your brand identity. Choose contrasting colors for buttons to ensure they stand out. Next, customize the typography for clarity and readability. Select fonts that are easy to read, even on mobile devices. Consider adding your logo to the checkout page for brand consistency. Upload your logo in the branding section under the checkout settings. Ensure that your logo is appropriately sized and doesn't overwhelm the layout. Scroll down to the Form Options section to configure checkout fields. Decide which fields are essential for a streamlined checkout experience. Minimize the number of required fields to reduce friction for customers. If you offer guest checkout, make sure this option is enabled. Activate the option to allow customers to save their information for future purchases. Review the order processing settings to optimize how orders are handled. Consider enabling automatically fulfill digital items if applicable. Walk through the checkout language settings to customize labels and button texts. Use clear, concise language that guides customers through the process. Preview your changes frequently by clicking on the Preview button. Once satisfied, save your changes to secure your setup. Test the checkout process by creating a test order. Ensure that the flow is intuitive and that all elements function as intended. Gather feedback from real users if possible to identify any pain points. Adjust your checkout based on feedback and analytics after launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.